Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2002 Kawasaki Ninja 250. This is Kawasaki's entry-level sport bike. Has the 249cc 2-cylinder engine, carbureted, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has 19,772 miles on the odometer. Bike is all stock and in good condition. Has new Shinko tires, front and rear. Low seat height, lightweight. These Ninjas are great for a first sport bike. Easy to learn how to ride on. Runs beautifully. And it's priced right at only $18.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.